Hello, my YouTube friends. Thanks for stopping by. Now, the title of this one is Start Affiliate Marketing for Free 2018. So, we're still talking about the Super Affiliate Network. Now, Bootcamp 9 is pretty small. Okay, so we're going to start and finish with Bootcamp 9 on just these slides that I have right here. Okay, and yes, I am still speaking for my coach, Misha Wilson, and this is what he has taught me. So, let's get started. Now, the tactical triangle, before I finish that, this is finishing up Boot Camp 8. I thought I finished it up with the last video, but I didn't. So it's only a few slides for Boot Camp 8, then it'll go into Boot Camp 9, and that will completely finish up Boot Camp 9. So let's continue. The tactical triangle, some of their efforts on conversions. Most people focus almost all of their efforts on traffic, while completely ignoring the economics portion of the equation. Start with the correct foundation in place for conversions, the 5 keys to profitability online, and then focus on getting high quality traffic that converts, and that's considered the gasoline. Start with the correct business model for favorable economics, premium value affiliate marketing. Feed the funnel and let the system do the work. Now there's the Pro 4000, there's the Six Figure Club for $2,000, there's the Maui Intensive for $3,500, and then there's the All-In Experience for $5,500. You get everything you would with the traditional franchise model business, but with less overall headaches, with ongoing mentorship, and at a tiny fraction of the cost. A question to ask yourself: how much will going all in from day one save me? Now, the assignments are review our different levels of membership and everything you'll get at each level. Create a pros and cons list when it comes to getting positioned correctly from day number one. Don't make a decision right now. Write out the pros and cons and make an informed decision. Reach out to your coach with any questions. Again, that ends Bootcamp 8. Now let's get started with Bootcamp 9. The riches are in the niches, but the fortune is in the follow-up, and that's by Pat Flynn. How the Super Affiliate Network's done-for-you system quickly and easily converts your leads into big high-ticket commissions and repeat customers. How we follow up. Now you have the daily emails, the webinars, and the phone follow-ups. Here's the email follow-up. Phase 1 is a indoctrination campaign, and the goals are to familiarize your prospect with who you and what you are. Sell your products and services. Let them know what's in it for them when they open your emails. Condition them to keep opening your emails. Phase 2 is the daily Seinfeld emails, and that goals are provide irresistible entertainment to keep your prospects engaged, sell your products and services. And then there's the daily Seinfeld emails from Russell Brunson, the epiphany style. You have the ideas, the inspirational, the enlightening, thought-provoking, and challenge existing dogma beliefs. Educational style, you have your FAQs, your Q&A, how-to, checklist, and then your episode style, the controversial email, the EDU training, and what happened today. Then there's the webinars, and those goals are provide value to your attendees, meaning to build a goodwill bank, make sales in an intimate fashion that's still one-to-many, and build a strong relationship with your list. And then last, but certainly not least, the phone follow-up. That goals are help our clients overcome any confusions they may have and get them through their training as quickly as possible. And then there's the sell high-ticket offers. Pretty cool, don't you think? Then the feed the funnel and let the system do the work. For the Pro is $1,000. The Six Figure Club is $2,000. The Maui Intensive is $3,500. All-In Experience $5,500. Excuse me. There's a video to watch once you sign up on Bootcamp 9. And believe it or not, this is the end of Bootcamp 9. Now, once you can sign up for 30 days for $1 and view all this so you can get the better understanding of what this video is all about. And once you sign up for that dollar, you can go back and look at all of these videos from the first, so you can get, a better understanding. Because these slides might have been a little confusing, but once you sign up and listen to Misha Wilson, because I'm not saying everything in these slides that he has said. So once you sign up, you'll get the full gist of everything that he's saying, okay? So, believe it or not, this is the end of the video. Please click or copy this beautiful link. When you copy it, open it up in a new browser to learn all about the Super Affiliate Network. And then you can purchase it for $1 for 30 days. Like I said before, then you can get a better understanding. And then Misha says a lot more to these videos than what I'm putting on these slides. So once you purchase it for $1, you'll get a better understanding. So again, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. And guess what? I'll see you in the next video. Bye.